Hey everyone, what music genre does Suno AI Music Generator do best? Suno AI Music Generator excels in creating ambient and chill, electronic and EDM, thanks to its precise beat making in layered synth capabilities. It produces high quality electronic tunes. Also, pop melodies. Suno's AI shines in crafting catchy hooks and uplifting pop arrangements and lo-fi beats. Its ability to blend subtle rhythms and warm textures makes it a go-to for lo-fi fans. And lastly, the experimental fusion. Want something unique? Suno handles genre blends like jazz, infused EDM, or classical tech hybrids effortlessly. You can go ahead and click the music right here at the bottom right, and basically now you're gonna be able to create. Okay, if you need ideas, you can just go ahead and brainstorm right here. Make a song about your mom, partner, best friend, or social occasion. Moods, if you just want to select moods. I am feeling right now like chill, whatever, and I want to feel in my favorite genre of music. Okay, go back. Sorry, and you can start writing your song description. Right, you can see right here custom. If you want to add your own lyrics, you can just go ahead and do that. And if you have your own audio, just go ahead and upload your audio. Right, and agree to the terms, of course. You can record and upload your audio. And if you want your song to be instrumental, like without any music, just go ahead and turn it on, so no one can or so the final results so the song can generate without any lyrics, right? And write down your ideas, right? Here's an example: a futuristic K-pop song about not being able to wait to see you again, or something like that. And then go ahead and hit create. And please be aware that you have 10 free V4 songs remaining. So you have 10 free credits in Suno. So make sure you use it wisely. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.